What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthylicious Bites. Today is a very special day. It is Janmashtami and it's birthday for our little Krishna. So let's make something special for him. We have a Govind Ladoo. Hello there. If you are new to our channel, welcome and make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell. These delicious laddus are made out of rice flakes, also called as poha. To save some time and effort, I'm using air fryer to roast these rice flakes and nuts, but you could also pan roast this poha and nut on a stove. Once it is roasted to the right consistency, it should be flaky and crunchy. Transfer it to the air fryer container and let's set it for 5 minutes. Do check in between so that it doesn't burn. Let the poha cool down and then transfer it to mixie jar. Grind it to make really fine powder. Keep it aside and let's move on to roast our nuts. Here we have some groundnuts and some almonds. Let's make them crunchy by pan roasting it or air frying them. Either way it's fine. Once the nuts are cooled down, let's prepare to grind them. To this, we are adding some cardamom, black pepper, 1 or 2 cloves, and roasted fennel seed. In a thick bottom pan, let's take 2 tablespoons of ghee. To this, let's add a ground poha. Keep the flame low and roast it until it is golden brown. To this, let's add poppy seeds and desiccated coconut. Finally, it is time to assemble our laddus. Let's get our nut powder. To this, let's add the poha mixture. Laddu without sugar is incomplete. So let's add some sweetness by adding a good. You can use brown sugar, you can use white sugar if you like, but for today we are keeping it refined sugar free. Combine everything until that last bit of good is dissolved well. And also don't forget to add some love because it's for our little Krishna. Let's take a handful of mixture and start to form a round shape. It is easy to assemble when the mixture is warm. So if you are finding it hard, you could also add tiny bit of milk to help you assemble these laddus. That's it, guys. Our laddus are ready. These are really yummy and delicious and very good for kids too. Was it tiring? I bet no. In the end, it's all worth it. I guarantee you, your little one will not resist to have 1 or 2. They will finish it all up. That's all for today. If you like the recipe, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for staying on healthy side. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a healthy, delicious day.